it's a process of deep healing, deep cleansing. And if you hang out in the absolute, while it might feel great, you miss out on all that dimension. When all of that transformation happens on the energy level, on the level of form, then your system becomes primed for the divine to express creativity through the form, however it wants to, and whatever your gift is to share with the world will move. So many people discover the dimension of being, and it feels wonderful. So then I'm not saying this is you, I'm speaking in general, what can happen? There can be a tendency to hang out in the absolute and become a bit disassociated from the realm of form and even negate it and give more importance to the absolute truth. However, for transformation to happen on the human level, on the relative level, which is what allows us to live a balanced, happy human experience, which is what we're doing here, then the aliveness of the body must be included for that. And the intelligence of the system knows it. So when there's an opening to higher consciousness, it's like the curtains open and the sunlight now can shine in. And the sunlight shines in, and in the warmth of the sunlight, all the energies under the surface bubble up, because that light is healing, it's medicine for it. So it's good when you feel it coming up. Let it come up, even if it feels uncomfortable, because it's coming to drink the medicine of the divine. And everything that's been repressed, everything that's out in some kind of disorganized, disjointed state, comes up to drink in this sweet nectar so that it can be infused with the wisdom of consciousness, and the energy body becomes harmonized. When the energy body is harmonized, that infuses through to the next layer, which is more dense, which is the physical body. And that becomes harmonized, and it also cleans out the mind. So it's a process of deep healing, deep cleansing. And if you hang out in the absolute, while it might feel great, you miss out on all that dimension. When all of that transformation happens on the energy level, on the level of form, then your system becomes primed for the divine to express creativity through the form, however it wants to, and whatever your gift is to share with the world will move through you and bring that harmony like an overflow from you to everyone who is has the openness to receive what that particular vibrational signature has to share with the world. So you become an interactive, on the level of form, expression of the formlessness in form.